At first I didn't seem to care about love, but suddenly you came to me, following me around. I thought I told you to stop staring at me.
I guess so. The renovation is not like it's still going. The renovation is still going to Barcelona. See the sign. Sabi Beauty Salon coming soon. Anyways, the renovation is still going. It's not fully done yet. It's still in the process. And let me show you guys the inside. And stuff, and I think maybe that facial will be done, whatever, but I'm not going to spoil anything for you guys. I'm going to spoil the map for you guys. So, you guys are going to see after it's ready. The roof is also not that. There is literally no roof. Wow. Literally wow. We came to the second floor and look what we saw. Some streets for a promo. They have my mommy's number written over there. 055729860. That's my mommy's number. They don't have my number. I salon opening soon. There's a lot of more stuff in it, so really excited. Shoot, come on.
Sige igiling wag hihinto o dalin mo sayaw na gusto ko.
Anyways, this is also the new the process, but the team is your part. All for you. Alright guys, so right now, some of the furniture are starting to come. These are the shelves, the counter also comes, so this is also the during the process. This is the outside area. We're still working finishing on it. It's not good. It's not even half baked yet. So yeah.
And I want your eyes go green. I can feel your jealousy. Up your
Okay, so the color is not. The salon is not really ready. This is only the back.
Hit a break. Say one more just in your face. Hit a boom in the bass. Pump it up, back it up, turn it up. R-U-K-A.
Preparing
for our opening tomorrow, we have our own red carpet. If you ever dream of going on the red carpet, you can come down. Our salon is finally ready. Today's also the opening of our salon, so we just kind of think and then this is our salon. Look at this one. Look at that.
Baby, monster, got me feeling like a billionaire. Billionaire. Baby, monster, got me feeling like a billionaire. Look at me.